Everyone, welcome to the Big Lady of the Small House channel. About a month ago I've showed you the video of this black currant, and here we go. We already have harvested some last night, so these are about to be eaten too. So this is the first year we have planted it, but it's already about 2 cups worth of berries. It's good. Kids love it, and they got kind of sweet and sour taste. And this is it. There's another small bush behind that pomegranate tree, and it didn't give too much berries, but still. And while I was here, to show you my koi pond, haven't cleaned up the water yet. Usually we do it in March, but with this lockdown it was a bit too late. So right now I'm waiting, no filtering system, so I have to use the last year old filters to clean up the pond. That's what probably will do today, as I've suddenly developed the allergy to sun, and since today is not really sunny, I can spend more time outside in the garden and pay more attention to fish, as you can see. Yeah, the big one is quite aggressive, the white one. It's one of the first ones, but we bought this white and red-white. These are the first 2 fish in the pond. There used to be turtles, but I sent them away to the seaside. Anyway, that's it for today. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.